Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to compare two very popular project management tools, and these are ClickUp and the Monday.com. Many teams, freelancers and businesses use these tools to manage project, tasks and teamwork. But the question is, which one is better for you? That's what we are going to talk about in this video. But before we go deeper, I just want to remind you, in the description of this video, I have added links where you can just check the latest features, official updates and the best deals for both ClickUp and Monday.com. So after watching this video, don't forget to check the description because prices and plans changes often. Now let's start with Monday.com first. Monday.com is very popular because it is simple and visual. It is very beginner friendly, so new users can understand it very quickly. Monday.com also has the automation feature. For example, you can set up an automatic notifications, reminders or task update. Now another good thing is the integration. Monday.com works with tools like Slack, Google Drive and Zoom, so it connects well with the apps you already use. However, one thing to note is that advanced feature can be locked in higher paid plan. So if you need more power, the cost can be higher. So now let's talk about the ClickUp. ClickUp is very flexible. You can create tasks, projects, lists and calendars, and also you can create a Gantt chart and even you can create a mind maps. It has many views, so you can choose the way you want to see your work. Like ClickUp also includes built-in docs, time tracking and reporting. This means you can manage almost everything in one platform. Many people like ClickUp because it can replace several tools, not just task management, but I will be honest, at the start ClickUp can feel a bit overwhelming because it has so many features. It takes some time to learn, but once you do, it becomes very powerful. So which one is better for you in this time? Well, it depends on your needs. If you want something simple, visual and easy to use, Monday.com is a great choice. But if you want more flexibility, more feature and all-in-one tool, then ClickUp is the stronger point. Monday.com is often better for that teams who want quick setup and simplicity, while ClickUp is better for teams that want deep customization and advanced project control. So in short, Monday.com is best for simplicity and colorful project, and ClickUp is best for flexibility and all-in-one project. Now both are excellent, but the right one depends on your team size, your workflow and how much control you want. So don't forget to check the description for official links, updated features and deals for both ClickUp and Monday.com. This will help you to make the right choice for your project in this time. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.